Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Jake Hoback Knives A8 Slimline here for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of stuff that I'm bringing to you. Look at this. That's a pretty cool knife, guys. A8 Slimline comes with a set of Allen keys to take this guy apart. Here you can see all the specs on this bad boy, and here you've got some cut-out foamy thing. It comes with a nice wooden box with this fire engraved kind of thing logo. It's really well made. I appreciate when the knives are coming in a nicer package than just like a cardboard box. So this guy has an overall length of 7.75 inches or 20 centimeters, so it's not like that huge. Blade length is going to be 8.2 centimeters, or I would say 3.2 inches, with a handle of 4.6 inches, or let's say something like 11.7 centimeters. So I mean, it's not like a huge knife. It's quite compact, but at the same time has that allure of an overbuilt knife, because it's tough. I mean, it's mean, it's menacing, it's blacked out, all mortared out except for this screw over here. That's the Hoback A8 Slimline. In fact, you see it's kind of slim, and it's a titanium frame lock, all blacked out. This guy is sporting a CPM 20 CV steel with this nice grind. Look at that, kind of like a not a Japanese tanto, but kind of, you see, like a very cool. There's some recessed jimping and nice wedge. You've got kind of like a light recurve over here. It's not like fully straight. There is no sharpening choil really. You see this guy arrives right at the end of the plunge grind, so that might be an issue if you're like to sharpening your knife yourself. And yeah, it's a full titanium backspacer. Lanyard hole is integrated like that. Quite simple construction. You just got 3 screws for the handle and 1 screw for the pivot, so pretty good to go. Tip up carry only, titanium pocket clip. There's the Hoback rolling detent, of course. There is a little bit of an issue here. You see the area to disengage the lock bar is not, there's not enough room, at least for my thumb. So you end up just using this protrusion here for the stainless steel lock face insert to you take advantage of that to disengage the lock bar, because if you just do it like that, it might be slippery because there's no jimping and there's no room. So you see there's a protrusion kind of like here, so just do that, but right away the flipper tab is gonna hit your thumb, right? So you see, even if there's like detent ball ramp, it's a little bit steep, so you're gonna be left with the blade hanging. So that's why I'm just doing like a little bit below, so that I make sure that the ball overcomes the detent ball ramp, and then you just wiggle it a little bit to have it in the closed position. So that's just something to keep in mind. It's a flipper, there's no jimping on the flipper. The weight on this guy is not like super contained. I mean, I think this guy's like below 5 ounces. Let's just check. That's like 5. Look at that. Boom. So not like a super light, but not even like super heavy. There's some internal skeletonization going on. There's your Psalm 23 and Hoback written there. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.